Okay, I wanted to do a quick video on resetting or clearing error codes on a GE washing machine. I had a tough time finding this, so hopefully this helps. First, you go into diagnostics mode, so you unplug the machine for about a minute, wait a minute, plug it back in, and then get your LEDs up, hold, start, and go counterclockwise 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It'll beep like that. Give it a minute. If you have any error codes, you can cycle through them here. I've already done this. Just press start and it would cycle through, show your error codes. If you don't have any, it'll just blink like this. But to go to the diagnostic or the test that'll clear all error codes, you just go until you have one light in. So there's 6 LEDs here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go until this, turn the knob until you see just this second light illuminated. Hit start. That clears all your error codes. And then to get out of this mode, just turn it once and then hold this for 3 seconds and you're out. Okay, thanks for watching.